So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to rotate an image here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left, press on Insert, go to Pictures, and then select a photo that you want to obviously add to your design here. So I'm going to go ahead here and select a photo right here. How about of a nice beach? Just like this. So go ahead and press this photo right here, then press on Insert. Now once that is done, as you can tell, I have my image right here. If you want to rotate it, it's actually super simple. What you can actually do right here is double tap on the image right here to open up a whole bunch of different options. Another way you can do it as well, which is probably a lot simpler, is just press on the image right here. Go to this top little arrow right here to where there's this sort of this, it looks like an arrow pointed in like a spiral direction. And if you were to go ahead and press on that and then turn it to the right, you can sort of angle it this way. You can sort of check right here. So if you want to do it maybe 90 degrees, you can do that. You can rotate it to the left. You can rotate it all the way to the left, whatever you want to do. Make it larger or smaller. Once that is done, you now have your image rotated right here. You can keep going if you want, do whatever you have to do. Once that is done, there you go. Super straightforward, super simple. This is how to rotate an image here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.